It's been a bit over 24 hours, so let's refresh the page one more time. Look at that. Incredible. I'm amazed at how well AI can perform. I used to keep this video only to my private group, but I wanted to share it with all of you here on YouTube to build a great community. The method I'll be sharing has worked for me and some of my subscribers, but keep in mind, it's just my personal experience, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone's journey is different, so make sure you do your own research. Let's learn and grow together. What if I can have ChatGPT write code for a complex bot that makes money automatically through arbitrage strategies? The results were amazing. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive look at my private lesson where you'll learn to replicate these results easily. No coding skills needed. Ready to see how? Let's dive in. First things first, let's ask ChatGPT to generate code that we need. ChatGPT is hard at work. You can be sure that no human programmer can produce such high quality and efficient code as quickly. If you don't have access to ChatGPT, I'll leave a link to the code in the video description. Figure this script as your own personal blockchain tracker. It's always scanning the blockchain for new tokens and big price shifts. When it spots a hot opportunity, it acts fast, buying or selling tokens before anyone else so we can profit from the changes. The bot is awesome at finding these chances because it detects tokens right when they're listed or when prices suddenly move. It's got smart algorithms that do all the trading for you. Just sit back and watch your profits grow. It might sound complex, but it's actually super simple and you don't need to know any coding. To get started, open Remix. This is where we'll handle all the development tasks for our Solidity smart contract. Remix is a powerful tool for deploying smart contracts. Before we proceed, make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and connected to the Ethereum mainnet. If this is your first time using Remix, you may need to agree to their terms. Just follow the prompts as I've already done this step. Now, let's set up our contract. In Remix, navigate to the left sidebar and create a new file in the contracts folder. Name this file bot.sol. Copy the smart contract code from the description below and paste it into your bot.sol file. This code will serve as our sniping bot. If you don't have access to ChatGPT, don't worry, the code is included in the description for you. Before moving forward, review these lines of code. These lines contain addresses for wrapped Ether tokens we'll be competing against. You can trap these tokens using Etherscan. There's no need to hold wrap Ether yourself. Next, click the Compile button. Ensure the Solidity version is set to 0.6.6 to match our contract. In the compiler settings, select version 0.6.6. Confirm that the language is set to Solidity and the EVM version is set to default. Click Compile bot.sol and wait for its compile. Excellent. Now it's time to deploy the contract. Go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Choose Injected Web3 as the deployment environment. You will need to confirm the transactions on the blockchain and cover the gas fees, which are the costs associated with deploying smart contracts. Click Deploy. To be honest, I recommend setting the gas fee to high as it will speed the transaction without incurring significant extra costs. Once the transaction is confirmed, your contract will be deployed. You'll see two main functions, start and withdraw. You start to activate the bot and monitor the markets, and withdraw to stop the bot and transfer funds to your wallet. To verify the contract is associated only with your account, check the contract creator on the Etherscan and ensure it matches your wallet address. This means that you only have access to this contract. Next, fund the contract by depositing Ethereum into the contract address you used. I recommend using it at least 0.5 ETH so that way you have enough money to process transactions. The larger your deposit, the more transactions your smart contract can handle, and the greater your profits will be. Now, add funds to the contract. Confirm the deposit on Etherscan. Then click Start to enable the bot. This will allow it to scan the liquidity pool for trading opportunities. Set the gas speed to high, save, and click Confirm. You can also see the table with profitability calculations in the description. All right, it's time to let the bot do its thing. We're free to leave and come back in a few hours and check the results. Let's give the page a quick refresh. And wow, that's a solid result, especially since I just powered down my computer and went about my day. It's been a bit over 24 hours, so let's refresh the page one more time. Look at that. Incredible. I'm amazed at how well AI can perform. When you're ready, click Withdraw to stop the bot and transfer all Ethereum, including any profits, back to your wallet. This one involved a gas fee, so set it to high again and click confirm, and that's it. My private group and I have been using this bot for over a month, and everyone has had a smooth experience setting it up and running it. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging Led3 tools for passive income. I'd love to hear about your results and experiences, so drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.